Since the 19th century, cadaver dissection has been a crucial component of medical education. Yet, traditional dissection methods are increasingly seen as insufficient. Medical schools grapple with several challenges in cadaver labs: overcrowding and high costs, accidental cuts and mistakes during dissection, and unfamiliarity with proper dissection procedures. But what if there's a better way to teach and learn dissection? Introducing BodyMap, the anatomy VR solution that makes learning dissection easy and enjoyable. BodyMap complements traditional dissection procedures by providing essential tools and visual hints to guide students in making precise cuts in the right direction and to the correct depth. We enable students to repeat any completed step of any course, allowing them to become more familiar with the proper dissection steps before performing on real cadavers for the first and only time. Lastly, take a sneak peek into the comprehensive dissection instruments that BodyMap offers.